This is still a drawing video, and this is drawing 8. This is another graded step, and now you're going to draw the basic shape inside your box. If you happen to just have a box, like you have a gum pack, and all you have to do is round the corners, then this feels kind of like a free grade to you. But for most of you, you have something that you need to modify or change about your shape. You are welcome to go back to drawing step 6 and re-watch the shape video that you need, because it's just repeating what you've already practiced, if that would be helpful to you on drawing 8. Otherwise, I am going to do a demo of how to do an unusual shape for the rest of this. So it's your choice whether you need to watch the rest of this video. Okay, so my shape is this tape container. And so to draw anything that's kind of got unusual sides, but yet it has distinct, definite sides, what you do is you only draw one side of it. So I'm going to pick this side, and then I have to determine on my box, like this is a plane, what plane is that? And that's the one that's right here. And all I do is this comes up, so this comes up, and then I have to pick out where I believe this point is, if I visualize this in my box. And then if I kind of visualize this going over top, this angles up and I think would stop right about there. And then I use my ruler to connect. Oh, sorry, I have my hand in the way. Then this bottom is the same, it doesn't modify. But then this, if I visualize my box, has to angle over, so I have to determine where I believe that point is. And then I know this touches the top corner of my box, so that's got to go all the way to there. Then from here, I see that this kind of swishes out, so I'm going to swish it out. And then I'm going to pick this bottom point, and I notice if I kind of go over here and up, it feels to me almost kind of in the center. So right there. And then the trick to curves is to twist your paper so that you can make a natural arch. So you're going to arch it this way, arch it back to this way, and then I'm going to stop and analyze just that shape. And I kind of feel like this here should go a little bit longer, and this should be a little bit shorter, and kind of curve down. And you can spend as much time over analyzing your shape as you want. I'm going to leave this now for here. Then it becomes easier. You take each one of these points that you created, and it's just going to go straight across to the other side. So this one's already drawn for me. This one connecting to Fred goes across, and then connecting to Fred goes across. And this one connecting to Fred goes across. Okay, now I have to analyze, well, what happens on this side? Well, this kind of angles in, so really this dot isn't there. This dot is more like here, which then does change where this goes. And you would keep doing this whole process. I, for now, am just going to sketch this in. So you analyze as you go. And then once you have it analyzed where all of these lines should stop, then you just copy what you did. So if this is a diagonal, you just line up your ruler, bring it over, and copy that line. If this is a diagonal, then you line it up and you copy that line. So as you go, this, I'm just copying the curve, copy, 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 hit that point, can start swishing up. Then once you get, and you will take more time, I'm speeding this up for the purpose of the video. Once you have that basic shape all done and you like the way that it looks, then you will bring it up to me for grading.